everybody, I'm Brittany, this is Ashton 4 and Aiden 2, and today we're going to show you how to make a simple bird feeder made from peanut butter, birdseed, and a toilet paper roll. So to start, you're just going to gather materials, which will be the toilet paper roll, some twine and scissors, an optional hole punch, of course your peanut butter and something to spread it with, and some birdseed. We just dumped a bunch of birdseed out into a wooden tray here so we can roll the toilet paper rolls in there, right? Yeah. So to start, I just put 2 hole punches on either side of the toilet paper roll, and Ashton's going to spread some peanut butter on his roll. Here you go, bud.
No, I'm not.
You're not? Why?
Oh, no.
He's being shy. Good job. Get it all in there. Mommy can help you too. Aiden started one already and then began to eat it. So we're just going to give him a little break, right? What do you think the birds will think of our bird feeder? Are you going to do a hole punch?
Yeah.
Oops, sorry, Bubby. You can put a hole punch right up there. Does Aiden want to help Mommy?
Mom, I like hole punches.
I like hole punches too. They're pretty convenient.
So how do I get this in?
Here, let's see. This is like good dexterity right now, right? We're just putting hole punches in there. I'm gonna squeeze 1, 2, 3. Oh, there we go. So you can put the string in there to hang from a tree. Or
where we did.
So let's look. We have one here. There's one. We should put the other one right here. Can you do that?
Yes.
Hole punches can be tricky. Squeeze with all your might. 1, 2, 3. A little harder. 1, 2, 3. Let me try. There we go. It's a little harder because it's cardboard. So once we have our bird feeder, our toilet paper roll, all covered with peanut butter. I think we need a little bit more right here.
It's butter and you'll eat it.
You do eat peanut butter. Can you put some right here for me? Great job.
Now put the hole on it.
Well, this one has a hole, but now this is going to be like the fun part for you. We're going to move our peanut butter out of the way. This takes minutes, guys.
Wow.
And we're going to roll it in the bird seed.
Good.
You going to do it?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Roll it all in or get it all covered. Aiden's doing his own little thing over here. Roll it all around. I laid it out flat so they wouldn't have to worry about dumping it and they can just kind of roll it on all sides. A little bit easier for the smaller hands. Is it all covered?
Almost.
Almost. Look, Aiden's doing it too. Good job. That looks awesome. And now, to finish it off, we're just going to put our string. We're just using some twine from the dollar store.
What are you using that for?
We are going to tie this up.
For what?
To hang on a tree so the birds can eat their seeds. Voila.
But how are we going to get all the way up?
We are going to go outside and reach tall, and hang it from the tree.
Yeah. I'll get at your neck to reach it.
Oh, you'll get on my neck to reach it. So super cute, super easy. The young ones can do it. It might take them a little bit longer.
Aiden's?
We should put more peanut butter on Aiden's. I hope it's something you can try in your home just to keep the kids busy for a little bit. An adventure outside in your yard to hang it up. And keep an eye out for what birds might come stop by for a snack, right? Hope everybody's staying safe. Have a great day.